In this video, we'll show you how to change the front bumper on your Ford F-150. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. In order to change the front bumper on your vehicle, you will need to disconnect the fog lights. To do this, lift the tab and pull on the connector. Then, using a fork, remove the wiring harness retaining clip. Brush and spray the nut with penetrating oil to facilitate unscrewing, which may be very difficult. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 21mm socket, unscrew the first nut holding the bumper to the chassis. Perform the same operations on the other side. Using a car trim removal tool, pry off the front bumper pad. Run along all four sides to disengage all clips. Brush and spray the four nuts holding the bumper brackets to the chassis with penetrating oil. Using a ratchet, an extension, and a 21mm socket, unscrew the retaining nuts. Remove the three clips from the rubber cover using a fork. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. The front bumper is now free. You can remove it, preferably with help from a second person. Depending on what you want to replace, a number of parts need to be removed from the bumper. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 13mm socket, unscrew the 5 bolts holding the bumper bracket. Then remove the bracket. Repeat this step on the other side. Using a ratchet, an extender, and an 8mm socket, remove the 3 bolts holding the fog light bracket. Do the same on the other side. Next, using a fork, remove the first rivet holding the step pad. Using the fork, remove the step pad from the bumper by pressing the retaining tabs. Then remove the second rivet. Remove the splash shield. Brush and spray the nuts holding the air dam assembly to the bumper with penetrating oil. Unscrew them with a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket. Then remove the air dam assembly. Using needle nose pliers, remove the speed nuts and fasteners so that you can reinstall them later. You can order the front bumper used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new front bumper. Replace the mounting clips recovered from the old bumper. Put the air dam assembly back on the bumper. And screw it back on. Reclip the step pad. Then put the 2 rivets back in place. Put the fog light brackets back on. Then screw them back on. Put the bumper brackets back in place and screw them back on. Put the front bumper back in place. Start by screwing the 2 nuts back on finger tight to hold the assembly together. Put the rubber cover rivets back in. Tighten the nuts. Take the front bumper pad. Fit the fasteners. Reinstall the pad on the bumper. Then press on it to put it back in place. Screw the other bumper mounting nut back on. Clip the wiring harness back on. Reconnect the fog light's power connector. Perform the same operations on the other side. Operation complete.